that exhaust fan motor. Gotta be replaced. I got a new one. I was back here a couple of months ago and I told them about the motor. They called me and gave me permission to change it, so it's OB vent going up to the attic here. I got changed out. A couple of screws here I gotta get off. Another one on the bottom there. There it is. This is what we're taking off, not the back, just this part. We'll double check it, make sure I got the right one. Yeah, it looks like the right one. I need a longer bit on this thing. I had to get some of those long bits. Chicken there for birds, looks good. It's just worn out, getting old. I got that piece on there. Pretty straightforward, and just tighten them up. Yeah, this is half through 5/16 or 1/4 inch. 5/16, 1/4 inch. The only thing with the 1/4 is it's fat on the end here. It's not hollow, it's a magnet one. So it's good and bad points. It's sounding a lot better with this new motor on there now. I just gotta hook up the vent. B vent up in the attic. Up in the attic, it's gotta be B vent if it's gas in my state. Look at that, same holes. Yeehaw. I really need to get one of them long bits. I'll probably get some out in the truck, them long bits, all I really need. Alright, let's see what it sounds like now. Screw to put in the bottom there. That's sounding a lot better to me. Power vent motor, power inducer motor. Same thing. Okay. Sounding a lot better.